The Mekong Delta, often referred to as the Rice Bowl of Vietnam, is a mesmerizing region that showcases the intricate waterways, vibrant floating markets, lush landscapes, and traditional way of life along the Mekong River. This fertile and culturally rich region offers travelers a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the rhythms of Delta life and explore a world shaped by water. Cruising along the Mekong River and its countless tributaries is a highlight of any visit. The bustling waterways are the lifeblood of the Delta, and a boat ride provides an authentic glimpse into the daily activities of the local communities that depend on the river for their livelihood. The floating markets, such as Kai Rang and Kai Bi, are vibrant hubs where farmers and traders gather to exchange goods, fruits, vegetables, and other products from their boats, creating a colorful spectacle that captures the essence of the Delta's economy. Exploring the small islands and villages in the Delta offers a deeper understanding of the local culture. Visiting traditional handicraft workshops, coconut candy factories, and rice paper-making facilities allows travelers to witness the craft and skill that goes into producing these essential products. The Mekong Delta's fertile lands also support agriculture, and a visit to the orchards and fruit gardens is a delightful experience. The region is known for its tropical fruits such as durian, rambutan, and pomelo. Sampling these fresh and succulent fruits straight from the trees is a taste of the Delta's bounty. For a deeper connection with the local culture, spending a night with a homestay family is a heartwarming experience. Sharing meals, learning about daily life, and participating in activities such as fishing or tending to the fields offer a glimpse into the close-knit community bonds that thrive in the Delta. The Mekong Delta is rich in religious and historical sites as well. Vinh Trang Pagoda, with its unique fusion of architectural styles, and the Khmer-style pagodas, offer insights into the region's spiritual diversity. The Can Tho Bridge, connecting Can Tho City to Vinh Long, is an engineering marvel that stands as a symbol of the region's development. The best time to visit the Mekong Delta is during the dry season, from December to April, when the weather is pleasant and the waterways are at their calmest. The Delta's scenic beauty, bustling markets, cultural encounters, and serene waterways make it an ideal destination for travelers seeking a unique and immersive experience that delves into the heart of Vietnam's Delta life. In conclusion, the Mekong Delta offers a journey into Vietnam's cultural heritage, natural beauty, and close relationship with water. Whether you're cruising through vibrant markets, exploring traditional villages, or embracing the local way of life, the Mekong Delta promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Vietnam's Delta culture and offers a serene retreat into the rhythm of the river's timeless allure.